It's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Detroit, where the current local time is approximately 10:20. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is turned off. You'll know then that you can move into the aisles and collect your personal belongings. Please use caution as you open the overhead bins, as articles can shift during flight. If you're making connections here in Detroit, there'll be a Delta representative available to assist you, as well as monitors located throughout the concourse with your most current gate positions at times of departure. On behalf of your Atlanta based flight crew, we'd like to tell you it certainly has been our pleasure serving you and bringing you here to Detroit today. We appreciate your business and look forward to the opportunity to serve you again in the very near future. Have a good stay in the Detroit area or a safe and pleasant journey to your final destination. Good day.